Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. This is my studio. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I am going to cover with some mead and black paint that you can find on my Amazon link underneath the link tree, underneath the 20% off Colour Arte coupon code. This is also an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Best paint spreading tool I know. It's by Good Grips. That's also on my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. I'm not sure, I didn't put too much paint on my base, but I'm not going to worry about it. I have colors I want to use up, left over from my last painting. I want to get my spatula cleaned off right now, put it in the bucket, and use a different one. Cover that edge. So I'm going to take a chance. Give myself all the colors that I want, including my new black ruby, which is free with the new sets of colors. What else am I going to pick? I think I'm going to go ahead, because I have some hot orchid, I'm going to use it. If you like this hot orchid, you should look for the Primary Elements color pigment powder called Jasmine. Now here are my colors. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. I think I'm going to be adding some more frosted. For some reason that was calling me. Probably could have done this in some neater fashion, I'm not sure what. I have cell activators handy. This is going in the bucket. I have purple dioxazine purple, this Master's Touch. Where was my frozen? There it is. And that made me want some of my African Violet, which if it's open would be great. I remember it was sealed up as I retired last night. I'm going to miss this because I like it just always how it is. I should just tip it and see if it looks good and keep it. Me and my leftovers. How about a little French silk? It could have been Chantilly lace. Another one? I need my sharp tweezers for an emergency opening. And it's open. It's not open a lot, but it's open. I've got some neat dendrites happening. Now I need to decide which spatula I'm going to use. And I'm really interested in trying a combination of the black and the white. Quite a bit of it. Might put some orange in there too. Not sure that's open right now. Alright, here goes nothing. Let's open my orange. And my gold cell activator. Let's open that too. Gold first. Not for any particular reason. I've got some cerulean blue also. I'm hoping that there's enough color. Let's get out the cerulean blue. Ooh, that was a lot. and some of the purple, dioxazine purple. I like that combination a lot. I think I'm going to do it right over here on this other end. Wow, that's cool. Maybe I'll add some gold this time. Maybe not. Maybe some orange. A little bit of orange never hurt anybody. Now, I usually continue on at this stage, but I think what I want to do is grab a spatula and make myself keep some negative space for once. Could even use the basting brush, but I just have the feeling that using the spatula can't be a bad thing. Since I just did a whole rain cloud by dipping a tongue depressor in, I'm encouraged to think I could dip and steal some colors right now. Knock that bubble out at the same time. That's kind of different. I think I want some orange. Maybe a little more orange. If I wanted to do just small areas, I could still do that by using one of my little acetate tools, but I'm kind of liking what's happening still. And I always wanted to do exactly this, so now's the time. I might have gone overboard. I certainly could have left more negative space, there's no doubt about it. Where am I going to knock that off? Right there. One of these days I will tip. Maybe I should tip now. That's kind of cool. I'm very tempted. It's different, and I like different. Let's give it a tip. We'll tip both directions. See what's moving. I don't think it can hurt anything. I go right over the side. Now I want something in here, and I'm really tempted. Okay, I've got paint. That did not work. Maybe I want it to be blue. Maybe that's why it didn't work. Maybe it's just not going to work, period. Maybe it needs to be gold. I like waggling. Waggling is fun and productive. And I'm loving a lot of things about this. I am going to keep using that gold cell activator. and add a few more things. Because I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Get rid of that bubble. A little outside the box. Let's add one spiral, shall we? Just one, really? That's a bubble. That wants to go away now. That's a very tenacious bubble. Okay, a couple spirals. Little tiny ones using just the pointy tip. Because I like them. They make me happy. If all of life could just be so easy as to add a few spirals. Yeah, I really do. Spirals and waggles. I like that. Just adding a little texture inside the design. That's really cool. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the wonderful kind words and comments. Really appreciate them very much. I love you much. I'm going to sparkle that or shimmer that at you. Hopefully. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if I can do everything I need to do, but that's... I'd really like this camera to line up one of these times. Maybe it would be easier to try and move the canvas, I think. Look at that. Look at that. Very cool. Loving the stripes and the little dendrites. So what can I tell you? Did I mention? I think I did. I think I told you all about the link tree and everything that's on there. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a Facebook group for students. And where you can post your work and share it. And everybody's really nice there. So you don't ever have to worry about it being criticized or people being critical. This is really awesome. I love this. Thank you guys again for joining me. Thank you for the donations that help keep my channel running. Thank you for shopping my spring clothing under the video. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you and helping me out there. My 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Do not forget the Colour Arte coupon code for 20% off right under the video. This is just fantastic. This exceeded my expectations by a long, long way. Let's turn my light out and see what else happens to... I still can't seem to get that to go in the right direction. There we go. Wow. All right, you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget the thumbs up. And I do sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And my flashlight just shut off. Darn. No, it's not coming back. All right, bye for now. 2,400 videos I have. Go to my channel and find playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, or just ask me. Your comments are not just welcome. I encourage you to make comments. And I really wish my phone would have not done that. Because I was not done shimmering at you. But now I am. Look at that lacing in there. That's gorgeous. And those little cells. So that is the best use of leftovers ever, 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 ever. I'm so distracted I can't remember what else I'm supposed to be telling you. So, and I can't seem to get that square. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out. Bye for now. I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. I'll see you.